Right, we have this word problem in front of us, and it's a very, very exciting word problem, and it states as follows. Laura is 3 times as old as her sister Mary. In 7 years' time, their ages will total 38 years. How old are they both now? We solve this problem in a step-by-step fashion, and we present a clear and very concise solution as follows. Right, so what we have here is the solution to this problem. Right, to present a solution to this problem, we first let X be Laura's age, Y Mary's age. Okay, like so. And then now we are told in this part of the problem that Laura is 3 times as old as her sister Mary. So we have Laura, and then we have Mary. But if Laura is already 3 times as old as Mary, it therefore means that we gonna have to multiply Mary's age by 3 and equate the two, like so. Next point. In 7 years' time, their ages will total 38 years. Right, so in 7 years' time, meaning you have Laura's age in 7 years' time, we add 7. And then Mary, also we add 7. Right, Mary's age, we add 7. But we understand that in view of their real ages, right, their ages will basically total 38 years. So it's the summation. That is going to be equal to 38 years. Okay, what is the meaning of these? Right, so this means we have x plus y. Right, so we have, if you have x plus 7, plus y plus 7, right, which is exactly 38 years. It means that you have x plus y equals 7 plus 7 is 14. You subtract 14 from 38, and what you're going to get is 24. 24. Right, so now at this point, what we have here is that x is equal to 3y, and this constitutes the first algebraic equation. And now we have this here, which is the second algebraic equation. So what we then do here is we put 1 into 2. We put 1 into 2. And if we do that, 1 is x equals 3y. X equals 3y. So wherever there is x, we put 3y. So we're going to have 3y plus y equals 24. Right, and if you add these two guys, you get a 4y equals 24. If this is the case, that 4y equals 24, we can divide both left and right by what? By 4, so that y is equal to 24 divided by 4, and the result is 6. Hence, y equals 6. And x, we remember x. Right, x is 3y. X equals 3y in the first equation. So now we remember this and we put 3y. Y, which is 18 like this. Thus, y equals 6 and x equals 18. So, therefore, now we would have to remember our initial suggestion, because suggested that x is Laura's age. Right, so x is Laura's age and y is Mary's age. So we then say, therefore, Laura is, which is x, is 18 years old. And Mary is 6 years old. Is 6 years old. Right. And we need to just check, is this true that these ages are correct? Are these ages correct? Because now we remember one of the equations that said that x is 3y. So indeed, it is true that x equals 3 times y. But also there's another equation that said that x plus 7 together with y plus 7, right, the result actually is 38 years. How true is this? Because if you add x and y, okay, you add x plus 7, or Laura's age plus 7, you get 25. You add 6 plus 7, you get 13. And now if you have 13 and 25, it's exactly 38. And so we have solved this problem in a step-by-step fashion. And we are done right now, guys, in solving this problem. Thanks a lot for joining us, and a very, very goodbye to you. Goodbye, everyone.